From intellectual property to meme coins, the attention economy and the rise of cultural capital. Summary statement. The transformation from traditional intellectual property, IP, and branding to the rise of meme coins marks a profound shift in how we perceive and trade ideas. In today's attention economy, ideas are not only shared but monetized in new ways, reflecting their cultural capital and emotional resonance in global digital markets. Meme coins represent the evolution of intellectual property into liquid digital assets, capturing the attention of communities and investors alike. Introduction. In the evolving landscape of modern economies, the value of ideas has shifted from being intangible, intellectual constructs to digital assets that can be traded, speculated upon, and monetized. This shift mirrors the attention economy, a system where attention is the primary currency, driving both the value and the exchange of ideas. Traditional intellectual property, IP, branding, and merchandise have long been the vehicles through which ideas were packaged and shared in the marketplace. However, with the rise of memes and meme coins, we are witnessing a new evolution in how we view and exchange ideas. Meme coins are more than just cryptocurrencies. They are tokenized versions of culture, capturing the attention and collective sentiment of digital communities. They symbolize a broader shift in the way cultural capital is generated, valued, and traded. This exposition will trace the journey from the birth of ideas to the creation of tradable assets in the form of meme coins. Along the way, we will explore key milestones in this journey, from the development of trade systems to the rise of memes as a form of social and cultural exchange, culminating in the emergence of meme coins as new digital assets. By understanding this trajectory, we can better grasp how meme coins are reshaping the landscape of intellectual property and digital culture, and how the attention economy is altering the way we assign value to ideas. The rise of intellectual property and branding, early forms of idea packaging. Historically, the commercialization and trade of ideas began with the exchange of tangible goods, such as crops, tools, and later luxury items. However, as human societies advanced and economies became more complex, ideas themselves began to take on economic value. Intellectual property, IP, which encompasses patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets, was one of the earliest mechanisms developed to formalize and protect the ownership of ideas. In its most basic form, IP allowed individuals and companies to control the use of their creative outputs, whether those outputs were inventions, designs, brand names, or artistic works. Simultaneously, branding emerged as a key tool for packaging ideas. Brands like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Disney transformed intangible ideas, whether related to products, experiences, or cultural symbols, into marketable assets. Branding became a way to represent an idea in a form that was easily recognizable, creating an emotional bond between consumers and products. These brands didn't just sell goods, they sold a lifestyle and a cultural narrative. Coca-Cola, for example, became synonymous with happiness and togetherness, while Disney capitalized on the universal appeal of childhood and fantasy. Cultural capital in traditional markets. As branding took hold, companies realized that cultural capital, the intangible social value that comes from widespread recognition, trust, and emotional resonance, was a powerful driver of market success. Cultural capital is the collective value assigned to a brand, idea, or product based on its societal significance. In the case of Disney, for example, the brand extended far beyond mere movies or merchandise. It became a symbol of family values, nostalgia, and fantasy. This process of building cultural capital through branding allowed companies to generate loyalty, trust, and recognition, which in turn translated into long-term profitability. Just as a brand could capitalize on cultural capital, so too could ideas embedded within that brand, whether they were associated with a product, character, or experience. Intellectual property, therefore, became a vital asset in the trade of ideas. The attention economy, shifting from physical to digital. The rise of the attention economy marked a profound shift in how ideas were exchanged and valued. As traditional forms of IP and branding began to saturate the market, the growth of the internet and digital platforms introduced a new paradigm. Attention became the most valuable commodity. Unlike traditional economies, where physical goods were exchanged based on their intrinsic value, The attention economy is driven by the ability to capture and retain the attention of an audience. In this system, the more attention an idea, product, or person can attract, the more valuable it becomes. In the digital realm, where people's time and attention are the most sought-after resources, ideas are no longer just products to be consumed. They are assets that are valued based on their capacity to engage. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok have turned attention into a measurable currency. The more viral an idea becomes, the more value it accrues in the form of followers, likes, shares, and ultimately, the ability to influence. Ideas are discovered and shared with incredible speed, but this rapid spread also means that ideas are constantly competing for attention in an increasingly crowded space. The marketplace of ideas. In the attention economy, the marketplace of ideas is vast and ever-changing. Memes, which are often humorous or satirical representations of cultural moments, have emerged as a key form of exchange in this marketplace. Memes are short, easily shareable packets of cultural information that spread virally across digital platforms, often reflecting or commenting on current events, societal issues, or shared experiences. Memes are not just entertainment. They represent a new form of cultural currency. They allow for quick, viral communication with the power to shape public opinion, reflect social trends, or even inspire movements. What makes memes so powerful is their ability to capture attention quickly and engage audiences through shared humor, satire, or commentary. As memes gain popularity and virality, they increase in value, much like any other commodity in the attention economy. This content is brought to you by Bobby Gigs. Promote your brand here and reach a wide audience across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Follow the links in the description to get started. Memes as the new currency of ideas. Memes as cultural assets. Memes have evolved beyond being mere jokes or passing trends. In the digital age, they have become cultural assets, ideas that carry significant social and emotional value. Take, for example, the Doge meme, which began as a simple image of a Shiba Inu dog with humorous captions. Over time, this meme evolved into a global cultural phenomenon, with Doge becoming a symbol of internet culture, absurdity, and decentralized communities. The Doge meme's rise in value didn't just stem from its humor. It reflected a shared identity and sense of belonging for a growing digital community. Memes are no longer just content to consume. They are a form of expression and identity for individuals and communities. A meme can encapsulate a shared sentiment, cultural reference, or social moment, making it an effective vehicle for communication in the attention economy. Memes and social capital. As memes spread and gain traction, they build social capital, a measure of the value that individuals or communities gain through their connections, influence, and recognition in a social context. Memes create networks of engagement, connecting people across the globe who share similar interests, experiences, or cultural touchpoints. By participating in meme culture, individuals not only contribute to the exchange of ideas, but also increase their visibility, social standing, and cultural influence. The more viral and influential a meme becomes, the more it enhances the social capital of the individuals or communities associated with it. The rise of meme coins, tokenizing ideas. Meme coins as digital assets. As memes began to gain more significance and value in the attention economy, it was only a matter of time before the idea of tokenizing these cultural assets took root. Meme coins such as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe Coin are not just cryptocurrencies. They are digital tokens that represent the value of a meme, cultural moment, or collective idea. The beauty of meme coins lies in their ability to turn abstract, viral ideas into tradable digital assets. Unlike traditional intellectual property, which is often tied to legal structures and physical products, meme coins provide a new way to trade and speculate on ideas in the digital realm. These tokens act as liquid forms of cultural capital, units that can be bought, sold, and traded based on the popularity and emotional resonance of the memes they represent. Meme coins are a reflection of the attention economy in its purest form. The value of a meme coin is not inherently tied to any physical asset or traditional economic factor. Instead, its worth is determined by the attention it garners, the community that supports it, and the cultural relevance it maintains in the digital ecosystem. As such, the rise of meme coins marks the next stage in the evolution of intellectual property, where ideas are no longer just valuable commodities, but fungible assets that can be traded on decentralized markets. Price discovery and community influence. Meme coins operate in a unique space when it comes to price discovery, the process by which the value of an asset is determined through market activity. Unlike traditional assets, where price discovery is based on supply and demand for physical goods, meme coins derive their value from the level of community engagement, the spread of the meme, and the impact of media coverage. In many ways, meme coins mirror the early stages of the stock market, where the value of an asset was often determined by speculation and the enthusiasm of investors. However, with meme coins, the community becomes the driving force behind price discovery. The more people who buy, sell, and discuss a particular meme coin, the more valuable it becomes. As memes spread across social media and other digital platforms, their associated tokens, meme coins, become a reflection of that social capital. The role of social media influencers, celebrity endorsements, and viral trends can accelerate the price discovery of meme coins, often leading to explosive rises in value. This creates an ecosystem of speculation, where communities come together to drive the success of a particular meme coin. What is unique about meme coins is that their value is as much about community identity as it is about financial speculation. VI. Economic and social implications of meme coins. Impact on creativity and collective ownership. The emergence of meme coins introduces new ways to think about ownership and value in the digital age. With the advent of tokenization, ideas and cultural movements that were once ephemeral can now be owned, traded, and invested in. Meme coins allow creators, communities, and even investors to claim ownership over digital cultural assets, providing a new method for people to engage with and monetize creativity. Moreover, the decentralized nature of meme coins has empowered communities to take ownership of the memes and cultural movements they create. Unlike traditional branding or IP models, which are controlled by corporations or legal entities, meme coins allow for a more democratic and egalitarian system of ownership and value creation. This means that community-driven cultures, whether they're built around humor, art, or social movements, can now harness the power of tokenization to create real-world financial value. Volatility and speculative risk. However, as with any new asset class, the rise of meme coins is not without its risks. The highly speculative nature of these digital assets has led to significant volatility, with some meme coins experiencing wild fluctuations in value. While some have enjoyed meteoric rises, others have fallen into obscurity as quickly as they appeared. This volatility poses a risk not only to investors, but also to the broader credibility of meme coins as a sustainable financial asset. Critics argue that the rapid pace of speculation surrounding meme coins could lead to a bubble, where the price of certain tokens is driven by hype rather than intrinsic value. Just like the early dot-com bubble or the 2008 housing crisis, the mispricing of assets could have significant repercussions on both the digital economy and traditional financial systems. Despite these concerns, the market for meme coins continues to grow, attracting new investors and expanding the space for digital capital. 7. Conclusion: the future of meme coins and the marketplace of ideas. Meme coins are more than just a novelty in the world of cryptocurrencies. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about and exchange ideas. By tokenizing memes and other cultural assets, we are witnessing the birth of a new kind of digital capital, where value is driven not by physical goods or traditional market forces, but by attention, engagement, and social resonance. As we move forward, it is likely that the ecosystem surrounding meme coins will evolve, potentially incorporating more utility and deeper cultural connections. Meme coins may evolve from mere speculative assets into platforms for community-driven economies, or even become central to new forms of governance, art, and education. In a world increasingly dominated by the attention economy, the rise of meme coins signals the next stage in the evolution of cultural capital, where ideas are not just shared, but transformed into monetizable assets that can be traded and speculated upon. This shift holds the potential to radically change how we view intellectual property, branding, and cultural movements in the digital age, opening the door to new forms of creativity, community, and economic innovation. Meme coins, then, represent more than just the latest financial trend. They are the future of how we value, share, and trade ideas in an increasingly connected and digital world.